Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Welcome guys. We are going to study string and its methods in Python programming. Strings are amongst the most popular types in Python. We can create them simply by including characters in quotes. Python treats single quotes the same as double quotes. Creating string is as simple as assigning a value to a variable. For example, declare string var1 equals Sarah Ali, var2 equals Sarah Ali with double quotes. Accessing value in string. Python does not support a character type. These are treated as string of length 1. Those also consider a substring. To access substring, use the square brackets for slicing along with the index or in indices to obtain your substring. For example, we take this example, var1 equal hello world with single quotes, var2 equal Python programming with double quotes. We are going to print var1 variable var1 of 0 means the first character in this string, and print var2 of 1 to 5. That means the second character to the fifth character, var0 each var2 ytho. Python string method. Python strings have 47 methods, that almost as many string methods as built function in Python. Which string method should you learn first? There are about a dozen strings methods that are extremely useful and worth committing to memory. Let's take a look at the most useful string method and then briefly discuss the remaining methods and why they are less useful. The most useful string method. There are the dozen ASH Python string method. I recommend committing to memory. Join this method. Join iterable of string by a separator split on white space by default into list of string. Replace all copies of substring with another. Strip, remove white space from beginning and end. Keys fold, return keys normalized version to the string. Star switch, check if the string starts with one or more other string. End switch, check if string end with one or more other strings. Split lines, split into list of lines. Format to string. Consider an if string before this. Let's do some practice in Visual Studio Code. The first variable is my string 1 equal single quotes with single quotes, my string 2 with double quotes. If we print the first variable, we have a result single quotes and double quotes. That is normal. For the third variable, this is single quotes, test in double quotes. This give a result give a result test with double quotes because I have single quotes of the total variable. My string for this I double quotes test with single quotes. This give test with single quotes. Thank you for watching.